And now this is the BruxZir adjustment kit. So this kit has diamonds on the front row and polishing wheels. I'll show you the polishing after. Really incredible that the mill is able to do that. The timing for this one was 36 minutes. So I'll show you what we do to get this ready to try in. So once again, we have our BruxZir crown. I went ahead and gripped the crown and just separated it from the mandrel. So we have our piece that we're going to get rid of. And now this is the BruxZir adjustment kit. So this kit has diamonds on the front row and polishing wheels. I'll show you the polishing after. I went ahead and we're using a long tapered diamond to finish the sprue. But really, again, this is a diamond that's been formulated or designed for zirconia, but any fine grit diamond will work. So I'm just going to go after the sprue area. I'm going to use this wheel in the center. So you can see this is our pre-polisher. So you don't need a lot of pressure, you don't need a lot of speed. So just light pressure, a little bit on the approval. So this kind of polishing disc or wheel, it works really well to get down into the anatomy, the central fossa. You can kind of go at it from different angles. And I'm going to switch now to the high polish. So the diamond particle size on the high polish is just smaller. And that is what enables this greater contact and really getting a high shine. But again, with BruxZir, I typically don't go after it too much. I don't get it too shiny because it comes out pretty nice already. And here is our BruxZir crown. Slides down into place. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. I'm just running along the margins here. Beautiful fit. Slow the speed down a little bit once you near the body of the crown. The majority of these restorations, look how shiny it is versus the camouflage that I just milled out. You can see right out of the mill, it has a pretty good shine already on it. So I, in most cases, just go ahead and cement it like that.